Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Facebook name without waiting for 60 days. On the lower right corner, click the menu icon. On the top right, click the gear icon. In the settings and privacy, click personal and account information. Select name. Then click learn more. You'll be redirected to Help Center. You will see a bunch of instructions. Just click this find out why. Scroll down to the bottom part. Click fill out this form. So here you will be asked to fill out the information for your new name. Just type the new first name, new middle name, and the new last name. After that, scroll down a bit. You have to choose the reason for changing your name. Maybe there's a spelling mistake, legal change. I'm just gonna choose spelling mistake. And then choose the document for identification. Enter your email address. Click send. They will get back to you in a few days. And that's it. Thank you. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.